Hello, all the students stand up for good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it on time. Because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I am giving you. So please be sincere and do all the homework on time. So today I will upload some very short answer type question of chapter 5 in PDF 5. So what you have to do, you have to go on your school website or for, and from there you have to download that stand up for science chapter 5. So very short answer question and you have to complete in your copy. So today I am going to teach you chapter 8, new chapter circulatory system and excretory system. Okay, circulatory system and excretory system. Okay. So first we will read about circulatory system. Then we will go for excretory system. First is circulatory system. So actually, the organs that circulate substance such as nutrients, waters, and oxygen within our body and carry away waste such as carbon dioxide to be removed from the body is called circulatory system. Okay. The organs that circulate substance. Circulate substance means this. The work of organ circulatory system is that whatever nutrients is present in our body, like nutrients, water, and oxygen within our body, and this circulatory system they carry waste product also, such as carbon dioxide and some urine. So with the help of these organs circulatory system, okay, the way they it's removed from the body, that is called what? Circulatory system. The organs that circulate substance such as nutrients, water, and oxygen within our body and remove the waste product such as carbon dioxide, okay, from our body is called circulatory system. This circulatory system consists of three main parts: heart, blood vessel. This blood only carries all nutrients, water, and carbon and oxygen, and it gives to all part of the body, and whatever waste product are there, that also removes from our body. Okay, that is known as circulatory system. So the organs that circulates means move continuously through a closed system, means keeps moving. Circulate substances such as nutrients, water, and oxygen within our body. Okay, it keeps circulate within our body and carries away, and it removes and carry away wastage such as what? Carbon dioxide is waste product. Carbon dioxide to be removed from our body is called what? Circulatory system. Okay, and circulatory system consists of three parts. First are blood and blood vessels. Okay, so this three part is concerned. From 101 we will read about this. So first we are going to read about heart. So heart is a muscular organ. Muscular means it's muscular organ that pumps blood to different parts of the body. Our heart is a muscular organ. See, when our heart beat, okay, it means when our heart beat, it shows that it pumps blood and it reaches to all other part of our body. It is located in the chest, slightly to the left of the center. It is located in the chest. Okay, this is right, this is left. It is located in the chest, slightly to the left of the center. Left, slightly. Okay, left. See, this is right chest, this is left chest, and between there is some space. So it is just located in the chest, slightly at the left of the center, and it is about the size of our fist. Our heart size is about our size of fist. Okay, fist. Our heart size is just about the size of our fist. If you are a child, then your heart size will be the size of according to your fist. If I am an adult, my heart size will be my according to my weight. It keeps changing when we grow. Okay, when we grow, our body organ, our everything keep changing. Now the pumping movement of the heart, while it pumps blood, is called heartbeat. Okay, when our heart, the pumping movement of the heart. Okay, pumping movement of the heart, while it's pump blood, when our heart beat, it pumps blood, means the circulation of blood is going on through our body. Okay, and that is known as heartbeat. When our heart pumps blood throughout our body, that pumping is known as heartbeat. And the heartbeat is accompanied by rhythmic soft sound that we can hear, and you can easily hear your heartbeat when you will keep hand, and silently when you hear, it will give some rhythmic. Okay, rhythmic sound. Okay, you can feel it, and we can easily hear that sound. We can hear our heartbeat sound easily. So it is a muscular organ that pumps what? Blood to different parts of the what? Body, and it is located in the where? Chest, slightly to the left of the center. Okay, and it is about the size of our fist. So the pumping movement of the heart, while it pumps blood, it's called the heartbeat. It's called the heartbeat. Okay, when the blood is pumping through our body, inside our body, it means this beating of heart, we say heartbeat. So till heart I am stopping. In next topic, we got three things I have to teach in circulatory system: heart, blood, and blood vessels. So heart is completed. So in next class I will go for